Amanda कोशिश करी कूद बेराय हॉस्पिटल जगह बुंजी बेराय आइसे इना आरो ताई आमियानगे कोदो ऑपरेशन हार्ट ऑपरेशन तो करबो लागिबो.
Hello guys, good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. Aji ekdam montuk laga khopor ekta video ekta loina ai ase. Konyak laga legendary singer Ojei Manching. Bishiba Konyak khan ma jane thakibo aro amen la neighboring tribes khan aro aman eastern khan ma bishiba jane Ojei Manching ge. He is a legendary Konyak love song singer ase ekta amen la time de amian la pawala time de ekdam Konyak khan ge through music pra bishi jun mon ge churi dise aro bishi bak ke life de peace panai dia manu ekta aji ekdam critical condition de ase kwala khopor honi gina ekdam mon tuk lagi gina moi bi ai moi la subscribers khan moi la family YouTube family la side par bi olop contribute kurbo koigina idu aji idu video anela se for the past 2 years deba moi it observe krina moi I have seen it moi tikhi dagise because amiando ekta constituency la se we are from same constituency and then men watching do it's neighboring ase or sorry ase to moi jindo aro moi kida aha jaw gram ne moi atagi lok pai dekhi moi tikhi dagi to aro Ojei Manching barbi moi ge share kori thakise taila problem doina ase taila bimar doina ase koina holebi I also wanted to make video tiny media charity video banawale if I alone cannot do then how moi tinglim ke matibo nole semi or tinglim khan ke mati gina mane kilo te milagina charity video banawo koina I was thinking if youtube bhabna kore gise holebi malik pra ki bhabna guru na koina itu bhabna gram ne moi itu na kuri na aise to I was really like moi kurula over monjai holebi inan moi la bhabna hi thakise to like ki jane tahan family side pra alak bhabna kuru ni koina bhabna kurawa moi itia tak itu na kuri na aha se video do holebi moi chawkale itu video tinglim bra pana tikhi na moi ini emotional ho jaise and then like I was into tears and then I felt very I felt very happy and then because moi ba kurule monjai thakala kam kuriya tikhi na moi bishi kushi paise and thank you so much to brother Tinglim for making this video moi jane ki tala family khan tala khanten khan bra bishi ba motab kurina thakibo motab kura nai kwala noi sob par motab kurina thakibo aro taila family khan do ini especially tala family Ojei Manching aro tala family itu khan do they have spent it all tan sob phelain thakibo idia moi bhamnai sabe to moi kole monja do ki ase ule do moi la subscribers khan ke moi koi ase of course above all prayer and fasting is all we needed in life mohan as a Christian though prayer and fasting is very much needed amihan kane itu first ase mohan sob jane holibi at this moment moi sida sidi gobo directly gobo they really need financial help na kilo bole do heart la problem ase heart surgery kuro bole do it's not a job itu to thamli kotha noy itu ane if itu further treatment garne daily de chaise gole to heart surgery garne chaise gole they will need lot of money mane paisa bishi lagibo itu ane moila viewers moila subscribers kan kiman chun saise moi ko munja ase especially to the joyful givers kan ge koise amni ange ki ase na amnian kushiba ajidum amia la Ojei Manching legendary Konyak singer iduge sob milagina motab kurigina taibram through his music pra amian Konyak khan amian eastern khan ge pishi jun ge heal kurise de ki misago pishi jun ge peace anise de ki misago to ajido amian milagina tala life de ekta tangor kam kuru de koina moi du short de du message amian ge di dia se to account details kan ki gan sob to Tinglim bra muge pota laga itu tahan ki dise tala YouTube te ki dise itu di dibo to update kuri thakibo aro till then take care and bye bye.